ROHL is also known for its great innovation in the kitchen collection, where we do offer beautiful fireplace sinks that are curated in France. This is one of our best-selling ones in undermount. The fireplace sinks are very durable and very timeless. You get this beautiful white and gloss finish all around, and you don't have to worry about dropping your cast iron pan in here. It is gonna last the test of time. We are also always thinking towards the future, so that is why at KBIS we released our first ever Fireclay workstation sink, where you can have all your accessories on top for an extremely competitive price point and for something that's the first one on the market. The ROHL kitchen collection also has bar sinks as well, so you can finish off your whole kitchen with just the House of ROHL brand. Here is one of our square bar sinks right here that does look very beautiful and timeless. If you want to experience these in person, please stop by a Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in either Costa Mesa, Torrance, Studio City, or Calabasas.